So I'm coming on here to let you guys know that on January 4th, 2021, I'm starting my 14-day Hourglass figure challenge, and this challenge is totally free. So we're going to be focusing on that belly area. We're going to focus on toning the thighs as well as the glutes to give you guys that nice hourglass figure and help you jumpstart your healthy lifestyle. So if you want to join, like I said, it's totally free. All you have to do is join my free Facebook group, Fit Queen Team. And once you join the Facebook group, you get access to the weekly calendar that's going to tell you what to do every single day for your workout. So if you guys want results like these ladies right here, then you might want to join in on my challenges. These ladies right here join my challenges and now they are living a healthy lifestyle. They lost weight, they're looking good, and that could be you too in 2021. This one is totally free. It's free. You have no excuse. You have no excuse not to be fit in 2021. So if you want to join, the link is in my description. Bye ladies.